Germany's Bafin leads the way in blockchain regulatory assessment. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a good day. Let us get started with today's blog. Germany's Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, Bundesanstalt für Finanzdienstleistungen, or Bafin, is making strides in blockchain regulation, providing valuable guidance on the assessment of tokenized financial instruments. By classifying these digital assets as securities, Bafin has opened the door for new opportunities in cross-border trading and investment. Tokenization and blockchain, a new frontier for traditional investments. In a recent journal, Bafin addressed the regulatory assessment of financial instruments that are tokenized and brought onto the blockchain. The process of tokenization allows traditional instruments, such as shares, bonds, or subordinated loans, to be digitized, making them easily tradable as security tokens on the blockchain. This development presents exciting possibilities for investments under the German Investment Act, including participatory loans, profit participation rights, and registered bonds. Tokenizing these assets on the blockchain enables easy tradability and liquidity, allowing investors to resell them freely. Bafin's classification of tokenized assets. With the increased tradability of tokenized assets, Bafin has now classified them as securities, meaning they are subject to the Securities Prospectus Act and the Securities Trading Act, rather than the Investment Act. This shift in classification has important implications for issuers of security tokens. European passporting advantages. Issuers of security tokens now require a securities prospectus, rather than an investment prospectus, before offering tokens to the public. While this process may be more involved, it offers significant benefits. A prospectus approved in this manner can be used throughout the European Union and European Economic Area via the European passport. With blockchain technology, security tokens can be traded across borders, and few legal obstacles stand in the way. Germany, the ideal location for security token issuance. Bafin's clear stance on blockchain regulation establishes Germany as an ideal location for issuing security tokens in a legally secure manner. Issuers no longer need to rely on local laws or speculate on the classification of their financial products. By offering guidance on security token configuration and securities prospectus preparation, Bafin is leading the charge in blockchain regulatory assessment. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.